Hello, scrappers! Tonight I'm scrapping this old rusty crusty. This is in a bucket over there in the other garage. I thought this might be brass, but I took a grinder to it and it's not. It's more like a cast aluminum, I'm thinking. But I took a grinder to these. These are brass. So I know I'm at least harvesting a little bit of brass out of here. And we'll have to see what that is. I'm pretty sure it's cast aluminum. Forgot when I got this. This has been in that other garage forever. Probably from when I used to clean the insurance company. What we got here? Magnet sticks to that. Let's see if we can get this off. Sometimes these things are brass. Oh my goodness, is this thing crusty. This is what happens when you collect scrap and leave it in your garage for like 8 years. The reward you get. Oh yeah, that's brass. That's heavy. Let's all get a pre-scrap weight on this. About 1.5 pounds. It's all just plastic. This light turned the water off really quick. What is that? Some of these, ooh, almost turned the water off really quick on that one. Sometimes these are stainless. Ooh, we got some stainless. Good old non-magnetic stainless. And why does everybody insist on making everything out of plastic now? Ooh, that's brass. Oh yeah. Love my brass. More brass. And it looks like we got another outer nut here. See if I can get that off. Go to the next setting on the channel locks. Keep forgetting I got a vise now. It's like I do everything the hard way still. Like institutionalized. You do it the dumb way for so long. You don't even know that you can do it the smart way. Ouch! This outer cover ready to come off yet? Ooh, look at all that. That's all brass. That looks like copper. That's copper. So I gotta separate. I gotta separate here. And get this plastic out. That went flying. It's gonna pop out from the other side. So we can tap her through. Look at that, just like that. Tapped right through. So while I got her clamped in the vise, maybe I should try tapping this one through. Easy as can be. So now I just have to cut this copper loose. Now, because this is so corroded, my scrap yard's gonna call this, yeah, cast aluminum. Even sounds like aluminum. My scrapyard's gonna call this number 2 copper, just because of how crusty and corroded it is. Yeah, see how easy that bends? Definitely copper. So do I want to cut? Copper soft, I can probably just cut it with these. Now you could go through a huge hassle. Good enough. You could probably go through a big hassle and heat this up with a torch and separate them that way, but not me. Just cut it as close as I can. We'll sneak it in with the brass, and we'll get this last little piece off here. We got some copper and some brass. That wasn't too bad. So that's it. Let's see how we did. We got some, a little over, almost 1 1/4 pounds. See, a little over 1/4 pound of cast aluminum. Brass, the copper doesn't really register, but we got some stainless steel screws and some regular steel screws for the tin bucket, stainless for the stainless bucket, and some copper for my number 2 copper bucket. And let's see how we did on brass. This is the exciting part. Oh, almost 3/4 pound. Look at that. I remember at one point this stuff was $2.25 a pound. Should have cashed it in back then. But I was dumb and wanted to wait for it to go up higher. So, not too bad. A few minutes worth of work made a little extra change. So just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.